Hello everyone, this is Aman Nawaz from Kenstech, and today I'm going to tell you about the installation of Cyanogen Mode 12.1 based on Android 5.1 Lollipop on the Xiaomi Redmi 1S. If you would like to install Cyanogen Mode 14 based on Android 7.1 Nougat, then you can watch my previous video. I have already uploaded there. So as you can see, I have already installed Carbon ROM and I am going to flash Cyanogen Mode 12.1. So you guys are watching instead, and let's do it. So as you can see, the device is Redmi 1S and I'm going to install Cyanogen Mode 12.1 based on Android Lollipop. So today let me tell you about my phone configuration. I'm on Carbon ROM based on Android 4.4.4. So what you have to do is to download all the files given in the description box below. You can get all links, and as you can see, I have already downloaded the files. This one and this one. This one is ROM and this one is GAP. So I'm going to the recovery mode. I have already flashed. Make sure you have flashed the custom recovery. It won't work on the MIUI recovery. I have already flashed TWRP. That's why I'm going to the recovery mode. As you can see, phone is rebooting to the recovery mode. Has the boot logo. The device has booted on the recovery mode. I'm going to back up my device and choose the storage as external SD card. So as you can see, I have already backed up my device and I'm going to wipe my device. Go to advanced wipe and select Delphi cache system and data. Don't wipe internal storage or external. If you like to wipe, then you can wipe. So I'm going to swipe it. Swiping. Go to back again, and now hit the install button and locate it where you have put it the file. I have put it on my storage external SD card and the folder is Cyanogen Mode 12.1. I'm going to select this zip and hit the add more zips and then select gap. If you do not like to flash the gaps, then you can skip this. Now I'm going to wipe. So it will take time. Wait, let it be. So as you can see, the device has completed installing custom ROM, and I'm going to reboot the system. Hit the reboot system and watch, let it be on. So as you can see, here is the setup of Cyanogen mode, and I'm going to select the language as English India. Hit the next button. So guys, as you can see, I'm on the Cyanogen mode. Wait, let me show you about the configuration of device. Cyanogen Mode version 12.1 and the Android version is 5.1.1. Wait, let me check the camera if it is working or not. Okay, this is working fine. Let's check the front camera. Okay, it's also working fine, and I can see the network bar. It is also working. Everything is working fine. The room is purely stable, and okay guys, so let's check the lock screen. Yeah, this one is also good. So this was the tutorial about the installation of Cyanogen Mode 12.1 and the Xiaomi Redmi 1S, and please like the video if it helped you, and please share it if you would like to share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button here, the red button. Please kill the button. Okay guys, so thank you for watching us. Have a good day.